Hey guys, happy New Year's Eve. So I know you guys are gonna wear your festive tops, low cut dresses, and everything for New Year's Eve today. And I'm gonna show you how to take my favorite way to take my boobs for a festive evening. So I'm going casual cute this year, so not too much, but I'm definitely gonna choose between a couple of two top shirts and maybe like a low cut shirt. So this way will work for all three of those outfits, okay? So I've already got maximum coverage on this side and a maximum lift, and I'm going to show you how I did this. You guys ask me all the time, like, how do I do it? And I'm just going to keep on going back to the same way. So you're going to start here at the bottom, and you're going to lift up on your boob after you measure, okay? You measure from top to bottom, and then you are going to pull slowly, because if you don't, the tape will roll up on you, just like that. You're going to lift up on your boob just like I'm doing, and you're going to go up for a maximum lift, as you can see, okay? And we're going to go in one more time with another piece of tape to make sure we got like a maximum hold. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to lift up on the bottom of our breast and go up as such, like this. Pull down, do a maximum, go up under our breast, do a maximum lift like this, and pull up. And now we got full coverage on both sides. So now I'm gonna go get my shirts and show you how it looks all done. Okay, so I'm back and I have my shirt on, and as you can see, you can visibly see my tape right here, and that's totally okay. I'm just gonna cut where you can see it, and trust me, the tape was not gonna fall down, okay? So I got this blue jean shirt to go with it. I thought it would be pretty cute. This is one of my options, and I'm gonna check this one out. I kind of like this one, and I'm probably just gonna pair it with like some gold heels and maybe a little cute jacket. So I'm gonna cut from where you can see, because we don't want nobody in our business. I'm just gonna cut the remaining tape off, just like that. It's literally just that simple, and it's not going anywhere.
Sometimes you get lost what yard line you're on, and he definitely did there.
Okay, just like that. So no big deal. We don't want to show the people what we got going on, our dirty little secret. So we're just going to pull where the tape is at the top, and we're just going to cut down.
Let's start with what we do now. Geico makes it easy to bundle coverage for your car and home. Yeah, even French's ultimately. What a relief. Let's get back to charade.
And voila. And now we're styling and profiling with our boob tape on. Nobody knows our little secret. And these are the pants from the back as well. And this is how it's made. The shirt's made in the back. And I think this is the look. So happy New Year's Eve to you guys. I'm going to try on the rest of my options to see what exactly I want to wear. But this is definitely in the running. Happy New Year's. What are your boob tapes today?